Yeah. Slow mo.
Hey Nail Fam, hope that you are well. So TOBE GLAM is kind enough to send me over their new Sweet Candy Castle Polygel kit here. So I'm going to be unboxing these and swatching all of the colors for you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the family. And I'm going to go ahead and put my featured comment up on the screen of the first person that commented on my last video. Thank you so much. Okay, so here is how the box is looking, nice and cute. And there's a little note inside here, which I think is a really nice special touch. And once you open it up, confident, charismatic beauty, and then some little tips and instructions on how to use the polygel. Now with this kit, it doesn't include any slip solution or base gel or anything like that. There is another kit that I've also previously used that has that. So I like that this kit just focuses on expanding your polygel colors. So here is the first one. This one is called On Cloud Blue, which is a blue looking color. And these are all pastel colors. Here we have a Sugar Rush, which seems to be on the purple side. And then we have this one called Hello Fabulous, which is kind of greeny, minty looking. Next up, we have a yellow Happy Face. That's a nice, pretty color. And then this pink one here is called Sweet Cravings. Really nice. And then this last color here, which seems to be on the kind of neutral or maybe light pink side. And that one is called Cotton Candy. So now let's get these swatched for you. All right, so I have them all lined up here, and I'm just going to take one of my little card stock papers, and we're just going to go ahead and swatch each one for you. So here is how all of the colors are looking after I have cured them under my UV lamp for around 60 to 90 seconds. So I'm going to be doing a peppermint icy kind of nail design using the 3XLs that I got from AliExpress. So what I did just now is apply some primer, and these are the two new glitters from Charlie's Nail Art that has just recently come out from their advent calendars. Remember the little haul that we did the other day? So absolutely love them. So I'm going to be using these two polygels, which is the green and kind of like neutral kind of color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by using the Lazy Girl method to apply the glitter as well as the polygel to my nails. So I also have this clear polygel called Pure, which was from the first TOBE GLAM kit that I reviewed on my channel. And so let's get started on this nail design. So I'm going to go in with a thin layer of base gel, and then I'm going to take my polygel brush and I'm going to use some of the peppermint and the turquoise glitter from Charlie's Nail Art onto this nail. The design that I'm putting on this finger is going to be the green peppermint candy cane. And I just want to kind of slant the glitters in, like a slanted motion because I'm going to be adding line art gel to this on the top anyway. So once you apply your glitters, make sure that they are in a slanted kind of way. I put down the chunky one first, and once I'm satisfied with the chunky one, then I go in with the fine holographic turquoise one. And you're gonna flash cure this for 10 seconds before you move on to the polygel. So now it's time to apply the polygel, and all you're going to do is just apply the polygel to the nail and add a little bit of base gel or isopropyl alcohol, and you're just going to pat that into place. I tend to just put enough to fill 80% of the nail, pat that into place, and then flash cure, and then I go in with the final bead for the base of my nail because sometimes I can put too much polygel and it starts to like lift up and push towards the tip of my nail, and then I have a little cave and it just gets a little bit ugly sometimes. So you don't have to do it this way. You can just apply it if you're really good at patting your polygel into place. So we're just gonna pat this for now, and I'll let you watch for a little bit and come back for the next design. All right, so I finished the thumb and then I did the exact same thing on my middle finger, and they are looking so cute. So now to be able to finish this kind of peppermint design, I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of those liners that I showed you. The liner gels I got from AliExpress. And so I'll come back to that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and apply the other two fingers using the cotton candy, and I didn't do that on camera. I actually did all of the nails off camera because it's the same thing. It's just applying the polygel to the nails and just patting it into place. Now, for this ring finger here, I'm going to be doing like a little icicle. I thought I'd give that a try. That's something I haven't done on my channel yet. So what you do is you kind of pat the clear polygel into place, and then you get some saran wrap, and you're like supposed to put the saran wrap onto the polygel and kind of like press into it. And I take my like dotting tool and just kind of push down into it. So this is my first time, I guess. So I don't know if I did this properly. I don't know if I was supposed to put base gel onto the polygel, because when I was trying to take the saran wrap off, I felt like it like melted into the polygel, like it wasn't fully coming off. So you could let me know if I did this wrong. Like, see here, I'm trying to take it off and like the sides came off, but not the piece that was into the center. So because I cured it with the plastic. But anyway, lesson learned. I think you're supposed to put some kind of base gel or top gel or something on it, because like that piece wasn't coming off. But anyway, the icicle still turned out kind of pretty. So after I filed, buff, and wiped the nails off with some isopropyl alcohol, now it is time for me to pretty up this peppermint nail. So I'm going to go in with my white line art gel brush first, and I'm going to draw thick lines, and then I'm also going to draw some thin lines. So I did go in with some silver line art gel as well, just to add a little touch to it. So I felt like the silver just, I don't know, made it look a little bit Christmassy. So now I'm just going to go in and take some top coat. This is a really thick top coat, by the way, from TOBE GLAM. And I'm just going to top coat this and cure this, and we are done with this nail. Here's how the nails are looking. So now let's move on to the nude nails, my pointer finger and my pinky finger. And I have these little spaceship rhinestones that I'm going to use. I'm going to use them like Christmas decorations. And then I'm going to apply some of this Pop-Tart gel polish over the nails just to give them a little sparkle. And I also added some silver bows. These were the charms that I got from Shein. And some rhinestones from the Your Nail Lab and Baby Girl Nails box for November. So for the ring finger, which is the icicle, I just added in some of this white glitter to create kind of like frosting on there. And that is how the nails turned out. Absolutely obsessed with how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.